What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM cards on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphones. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here I got my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. There is a SIM card tray ejector pin and we got a nano SIM here as well. Depending on the region, you will either get the single nano SIM slot or the dual nano SIM slot along with an additional eSIM. Before we start, you can either switch off your device or you can just put your smartphone in the flight mode, in the airplane mode, as I'm doing right now in this video. On Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, here is the SIM card tray slot. If you got the Z Flip 5 or any other Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then all you have to do is look for the slot with a tiny hole in it, as you can see here on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra as well. Once you locate the SIM card tray slot, all you have to do is insert this SIM card tray ejector pin in this tiny little hole here like this and apply a bit of pressure. And you can see this tray just popped out. Just take it out and here you will find the slot for the nano SIM. As you can see, for my device it is showing only SIM 1 option, but depending on the region, if you got the SIM 2, this is the spot where you will put your second SIM. So now you just need to follow this icon here that is showing the shape of this nano SIM card. You just need to follow the same shape here and then you can put your nano SIM card in this slot here, and as you can see, it's fitting perfectly. Now all you have to do is put this SIM card tray back in your device. While putting it back, you need to be careful about the alignment of this tiny hole here and this tiny hole here must align on each other, and after that you can just slide it in. So now once the SIM card tray is inside along with the nano SIM, all you have to do is either switch on the device if it is switched off, or you can just get out of the airplane mode, wait a bit, and you can see here at the top of the display that the device is receiving the mobile phone signal and the mobile data is turned on as well. I'm getting LTE plus. You can go to the settings and then to the connections, and then if you go to the SIM manager, here you can see that your SIM is activated and it is working fine on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So this is how you can insert the SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 or whatever Samsung Galaxy smartphone you got. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.